Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this one we are moving into our brand new shop. 5060 Drift Rentals is making a massive upgrade this year for the 2024 season. We are getting a 40 by 100 shop, so we're gonna have to go load this hunk of shit on the trailer and get it over to the shop. So let's get over there. Hey guys, we got the car loaded up. We are on the way to the shop to pay the first month's rent so we can officially move in. We did already get the security deposit, everything already taken care of, but he had to hang the steel and everything, you know, hang lights and all that stuff when I actually went and looked at it the first time. So yeah, so now we're gonna go do that, unload the 350Z that I got behind us, and we're gonna see what the shop looks like with the first couple of cars in there. So come along and let's see what we get into. It's official. We are now shop renters. We just paid first month's rent, and now here we are. We gotta get the full up. Sheesh. 40 by 100. Freshly built, brand new. We are the first people to get in here, as you can hear by that echo. Look at this fucking place. 40 by 100. Heated, lights. This is insane. And we already got 4 cars here. 5, well, actually we have a bunch. I have both of my Z's, my Genesis. Jordan has his Genesis, his Civic here, and yeah, it's crazy, but look at this. Look how big it is. I know the camera makes it look a lot bigger than it actually is, but like standing in here, it is insane. Like living in a cold state, it's a game changer for sure. Like, we've been dreaming about this forever, but it sounds like everybody's showing up. Well, let's get some shit inside. All right, John, what's your first impressions?
Thanks.
Jordan Murray?
I don't know. It's too nice.
Like if the GoPro makes it look crazy big. Like John, it looks like you're 100 feet away from here.
Here. Let's see. So to put it into perspective here. About 7 seconds to run across the whole thing. Yeah. It's pretty clean. Alright. Cool, you?
Yeah, we just got to sweep her up a little bit because the building is freshly finished and there's all sorts of drywall dust and stuff on the ground, but pretty soon we'll hopefully get a couple cars in here. Well, as you guys just saw in that little time lapse, we got cars in. This is Jordan's, what year is this, Jordan? 2000? 99 D-Series Civic.
All Lamborghini'd out.
John's AMG. John's Z. John's Big Dick High Country.
L5G, sir.
And then all I got in here so far is the 60Z. And the Gen is here, but I'm gonna wait until I get Connor's 240 and my 240 here before I bring in the other stuff. And the 50Z, I ran it out of gas now, so it's sucking the sock, so I have to go get gas. As you can see over there, we got a little gas can. But now we're bringing a little bit of stuff inside and getting her set up to be a working shop, so let's keep. So we kind of missed a whole bunch there, but we got my missing 240 on the trailer. We got John's toolbox, my toolbox, and Jordan and John have their trucks all loaded up, but I still have these two single slammers I have to load up. This one is seized. This one might be good. I have plans with one of those for my 240. This one is a good dual overhead cam for Connor's car. And then these are just a couple of junk 2-liter transmissions from the Blue Genesis that I have. But yeah, we just got to get all loaded up and head over to the shop and unload and do it all over again. But let's send it, boys.
Yep.
Like also like with foul play, there's some pictures with Andrew when he had it all on some 3-piece wheels, all fitting nice back here. But now we're gonna time lapse it again. Gonna get some of this other stuff in here and then get this door shut and see if we can start setting up in here. Well, we're back at the shop. It's a new day. All we're really doing is just loading up all my stuff. I got most of the loft already. I'll drop down. I have a lot of S chassis, Genesis, Z. Not a whole lot of Z parts, but some Z parts. And yeah, like a lot of this stuff is like core support for Genesis, S chassis parts, my OG drift car, missile car, and like my wall of fenders. So it's really not too entertaining to watch somebody just pick stuff up and you know, stick it in a truck. But that's all we're doing. So I'll pick it back up when we get back in the shop and get you know, into something or something I want to show you guys. So hey guys, we made it back to the shop. We got a full load of stuff. This is a lot of S chassis parts in the back. I got a couple of radiators, KA valve covers, axles, shroud, S13 pop-up hoods, and most importantly, we got Connor's car here, and we're gonna get this thing loaded off. It's just me here today, so we'll see how this goes. But oh. The old jack just tipped over, but we're gonna jack that up a little bit better this time and see if we can get this thing off the trailer. So come along, let's see how this time lapse goes. Well, that went surprisingly better than anticipated, but got it inside now. It's probably just gonna sit here for now because I gotta really figure out where I want to sit or set up my area. I pretty much have until right here. John's fucking encroaching on our border, but we'll let that slide for now. But right here is the 220. There's two 220 outlets, and I was going to either, well, it's gonna be like a communal area over here for like welding and stuff, but also, you know, because I got to do a repair on this one and Connor's car, which is Andrew Hildebrand's OG car. Like, he had this car years ago. Like, when I first got my car, Andrew had this one, and he was just tinkering with it way back in like 2014. So this car has a lot of history. Well, as you guys saw, I got the truck all unloaded. You know, it's got a couple extra I really just needed to go through everything that I have with this move and just see what I got all extra of. But at the end of the day, I really don't have that much extra stuff. I only will have one extra set of headlights. Do have extra center consoles, but you know, it's whatever. Got Connor's car here, so pretty much this is, I have all of my cars here, I believe, that I have plans for. But yeah, I can't wait to actually get all of the rest of my stuff in here, and then we can start working on shit and see what kind of mischief we can get into. On Marketplace, there was a $400 or $600 hard body with a KA single slammer in it with a 5-speed for 600 bucks. And the guy said he'd take $400 for it. So I'm debating on going and getting it, because I do have an empty car trailer now that I got Connor's car off the trailer. So it is really making me really think about it, but I'm not sure. I think that's gonna end it for this video, guys. Thank you for checking in, and keep coming back, because the channel is really gonna pick up now, because, you know, we got all of this stuff to work on. You know, my car, the Genesis it's whatever. There's only a couple of little maintenance things to do. The Z is pretty much, this Z is just paint, and that's pretty much it for next season. Put an oil cooler on it. That one is button up the get gauges for it that I have ordered, and pretty much that. I need a hood for it and get it to drive pretty good, because I drove it in front of the shop yesterday, and now it doesn't want to start. The fuel pump isn't turning on, so, and it won't crank. So I'm not really sure what that's about. It does have a Wiring Specialty standalone harness in it with a deleted ECU, so I don't know. It should start at the, like you would think. So I'm not too sure, but thanks guys, and stop back in the next one.